In today's episode of Maker Monday, we're turning something simple into something spectacular. Whether it's a birthday wish, a silly joke, or even a secret code, what if your card could say it out loud? Today, we're showing you how to make a greeting card that actually talks, using a tiny voice recorder you may already have at home. New to the channel? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more creative builds every Maker Monday. This little 30-second voice recorder brings your greeting card to life. Let's show you how to use it. First things first, insert the batteries. Then, hold down the button. You'll hear a small beep. Now speak your message. Peel off the backing and stick it to your card. Press the button to play your custom greeting. Want to change the message? Just record over it with a new one. Each new clip automatically replaces the last. Let's wrap it up in 3 easy steps. First, pop in the batteries. Second, press and hold to record your message. Wait for the beep. Third, peel and stick it into your card. And voila, your greeting talks. Simple, right? And the best part, it works in all kinds of Maker projects. Try adding your voice recorder to a Scribble Bot, a classroom mascot, or even a science fair display. Curious where making can lead? Watch 5-year-old Omar and his mom Sahar in action, exploring creativity and problem-solving at Harvard's Alumni of Color Conference. And if you're ready to bring hands-on learning to your classroom or home, Maker Cart and Maker's Crate make it simple. Or try tech-powered lessons with Eddie at edm8ker.com.